Hello, in front of me I've got Hator Skyfall 65. In this video I'll show you how to manage RGB via screen. In the beginning, let's go to menu. Now, you can adjust SLED set, light set, OS language screen brightness, but then let's go to SLED. Here we can adjust mode, color, brightness, speed. Next, in light set, you can again adjust mode, color, brightness, and speed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.